which inputs you can vary is going to change over the horizon that we're doing our analysis over. So in the short run, you can vary some inputs, whereas in the long run, you can vary other inputs. So some inputs, for example, if like capital, if you have like buildings and factories, you can't build those overnight. You can't order new equipment overnight. Whereas labor, you can change overnight. You could say, don't come into work tomorrow. So you can change the amount of labor you're going to use from day to day, whereas the amount of capital you're going to use can't be changed as flexibly. So in the short run, we're going to assume that some of the inputs are going to be fixed, whereas some inputs could be varied. Notice we're going to use sometimes the word factor instead of input. The words factor and input are used interchangeably. So in the short run, some inputs can be varied, but other factors are going to be fixed. Quite sensibly, we're going to distinguish between these inputs as fixed inputs and variable inputs. In the long run, however, we're going to assume that everything can be varied. So if the analysis is done over a long enough horizon, you can change any of the inputs. You can build new factories, you can order new equipment, and so forth. That's the main difference between the short run and the long run analysis that we're going to do.